Today we're unboxing the Weebill 2 gimbal, and got a number of other gimbals from this same company. They've all been awesome. Each one kind of serves their own purpose, right? Large camera, small camera. A number of them are made specifically for smartphones. Need longer nails to open this, but they've all been great. Allow you to shoot with or without the accompanying smartphone app. And go ahead and check out what's included in this buddy. So they've been doing great with providing some cases for them. In this case, this one looks awesome. Solid kind of foam, and pop it off, and all kinds of fun going on here. So just the main gimbal. It's a little bit more complicated than kind of the typical ones that I've been used to, but we're going to go ahead and get it all set up and check it out. It does come with your tripod, has some other mounting options, along with several others, and then your USB cables. So we're gonna get this all put together, get a camera on it, and give it a try.